My position in student life is administrative assistance in the CAPS department, counseling and psychological services.
The reason that I recommended her for this award was because I want to say it was the February before the pandemic, so just a year ago, about almost a year ago, and she was putting little hearts on each one of our doors with some sort of uplifting comment every single day.
So you have been awarded the SLSU Award for Unity. Congratulations.
Thank you.
It's that connectivity with others and that support for the division and for our students and obviously all of your coworkers that really just means so much to everybody. So I just wanted to congratulate you. I think your work is important. It matters in such a big way.
I never thought I would receive this award. I still am a little bit shocked about it still.
When I read that they were taking nominations, she's the first person that came to my mind. It was a no-brainer.
For our CAPS staff, I try to make their job a little easier so they can do their job the best they can to helping the students.
She was totally surprised. She thought, I never thought that would, that I would be considered for that award. And it was obvious to me. So that's just how she is. She's very unassuming and she just is a support.
I work with a great group of people. They're like second family.